Look at how he's holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you, bro. I'll give you.
On March 21, 2023, Miami-Dade Airport Police arrested a passenger removed from Frontier Airlines Flight 2326 at Miami International Airport. 3 felony charges followed.
Oh, y'all were here this whole time and y'all didn't. How about y'all grab my bag? Y'all just here to do something. Make yourself useful. Guys, I don't know why she got kicked off. That's just my friend, so I'm going with her.
I'm a retired Army veteran. I know how to conduct myself. I know how to conduct myself.
Put your bags in the floor, please.
Take off your purse. Take off your purse. Why?
Take off your purse, okay?
Why?
You guys are going to go to jail. Take off your purse.
Why are we going to jail?
Take off your purse.
I'm not comfortable.
Listen to it.
Talaya!
Relax.
No, you're making me uncomfortable.
Relax.
You're making me uncomfortable. Why am I going to jail? I didn't say nothing. I didn't hit nobody. Why am I?
Relax. Got it? Oh, this will be public. All right. Man, stop resisting. There you go.
I'm a retired Army veteran. Talaya!
Let's go. What's wrong with you?
Because you're making me uncomfortable.
Calm down.
No.
You're under arrest.
For what?
We'll let you know right now. Come on. We're going to get the other.
You're choking me. Talaya! Okay. Can I be unchoked? Can I be not
Nobody's choking you. Relax. Can you relax?
Can you relax?
I'm telling you, I'm fine.
You're not.
You're not one acting
Look at my
crazy.
arm. Look at my arm.
Because you're acting crazy.
No, I came off the plane by myself. You didn't come and get me off the plane.
Lady, we already told you were under arrest.
No, you did not. They told me I had to get off the plane.
Right now.
Wait, excuse me. They told me I had to board. They didn't tell me I had to. Can I please? Can you let go of me like this? Excuse me, sir.
Calm down.
I am a sergeant.
You're not acting. You're not acting like someone who's been.
You're not either. You're not either.
You're under arrest. Calm down.
Like it,
Calm down.
Excuse me.
I don't want to talk to you. Calm down. Calm down. What's wrong with you? All right.
I'm choking. Let go.
Just let the bag go like you see I'm not drunk. Do not completely sober. What you? He just told me she's kicked off. I don't know why I'm being arrested. I'm sober.
Yes, you are.
Brian, I tried to calm her down.
I see
I calmed her
stars.
down. I'm not screaming.
I'm not screaming.
I'm sober.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hold me? A man can hold me, but not a man. Look at how. No, I will. I am not high. Look, I'm not high. Look at how he's holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll give you fucking killed. You pussy. I have no name.
Relax. Look, okay, look.
Figure it out.
Listen, you don't want to talk to them, don't worry about it. Talk to me, okay?
Ma'am, can I speak to you? Can you come over here? Can we move around? You guys can both hold me, but move me away because I'm going to smack the shit. Then I will break out of this as quick as you ever think. I live too much.
Listen, you're going to get more charges for no reason.
You don't understand. We got no charges.
You're going to get more charges.
Everybody on the plane has no issue with us. Can you listen to me?
Listen, you ain't talking.
Can I be let go of? I'm very uncomfortable. Can you let go of? Can I be in the space to walk? So that you guys can come like this. I just look at you. I'm not trying to run. How can I fight with my hands like this? I feel intact. It's intact. Look, that was perfectly fine. Can I speak? Nobody has said anything to anybody. So why am I detained?
Because what happened was they told you guys to get off the plane. You guys refused to get off the plane. I was not in there, but that's what they're saying.
No, we did not refuse. Even the airport, the people that were sitting next to us said, why are they trying to kick you off? You can go on and ask everyone.
Yeah, but you have to understand, whenever the airlines tell you to get off,
I'm retired Army. I understand. I get every baggage free. I get loaded for free. Why would I act any way? Please tell me. And that's what said because I was sitting down. How would you act? It doesn't justify anything, but it's justify you acting like this. When I fight for your freedom, you don't fight for my freedom like I fight for your freedom. I've shot. I've had a guy right in front of me. Let's be real. I've seen die anymore. That's not fair.
Okay, just relax and let them figure it out.
Mommy, so figure it out for them to do this. I've never been arrested. You can look at my record. I've never been arrested like this. You want to take a picture for my photos? No, take a picture. I need a picture.
Now you're not being reasonable.
I am being reasonable. I need a picture of my Instagram so they know I'm not home at parties tonight, that I have to be at, that I got paid $3,000 for it. Thank you. Nobody on the plane said nothing. If anything, I should be arrested, not her, because she didn't do nothing. We're not talking to her. I don't feel comfortable talking to those two. I feel comfortable talking to y'all.
He told me to help her. Okay, until we further investigate what's going on.
He is a weirdo.
Okay, listen, for some reason they wanted to operate and you don't want to get off.
I didn't refuse to get off.
I never got
When they told me to get off the plane, they told you guys were already here. You can ask them yourself. I never refused to get. Why would I refuse to get off if I can get on another flight? What sense does that make? You guys are detaining us to keep us from acting violent, but you don't understand this makes us more acting more violent. I'm an Army veteran. I understand how to control my anger. That's why before, when I got on here, when the guy was being smart about veterans, he was like, "Oh, you can't board." I said, "Yes, I can. With Frontier, you can." Not every. Are you listening to me or no? We're not going to be going. If we're not together, we're not both good. My hands are on one. I will definitely sue you. Not you, but I will definitely sue you. Miami-Dade Police
There's
report.
no flights. It's spring break. There's no flights to get home.
My bags are still on the plane. 2 Louis bags. Yes, 2. I don't know.
Well, your boarding pass. I
Good luck. I'm not letting you touch my shit. I didn't even yell. I didn't even hit nobody. I'm not
Wait, I'm going. Hey, you said you was a.
I don't care. Just get me out of here. I don't want my clothes. I don't want that shit. I want to go home. I don't want that. I want to go home. I've been trying to go home for 2 days. My best friend died in front of my hotel. What the f is wrong with y'all? Y'all are sick. You're sick. I thought you would be different. You're sick. You're sick. My best friend got shot, cold blooded in front of the hotel. I've been trying to go home since then. No, you're not. If you were sorry, I wouldn't be in this. I didn't yell at nobody.
Just because I'm sorry doesn't mean
I
your behavior
understand.
is okay.
I didn't behave no way. Just touch here.
Oh, okay. Your bag's right there.
Even everybody else, I didn't. You can ask everyone sitting next to me. They're having me hold their babies. Why would they have me hold their babies if I wasn't a good person? I hate all y'all. No, get off me.
We're gonna walk. Come on. Don't make it harder than what it has to be. Come on.
You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt.
Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44902, Frontier held federal authority to remove the subject and request law enforcement. Officers were executing lawful duty from first contact, a foundational element of every charge that followed. Probable cause existed before physical contact began. Refusal of a lawful removal order combined with threatening conduct toward crew. No warrant required. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista 2001 confirms this for even minor offenses. Once the arrest was declared, Florida Statute Section 843.1 governed everything that followed. The Florida Supreme Court in Tillman v. State 2006 settled this. Physical resistance to arrest is unlawful even if the arrest itself is later found improper. Force is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 1989. 3 factors: severity of offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. All 3 weighed toward escalation throughout this encounter. Officers escalated sequentially. Verbal commands, soft escort, multi-officer carry leg restraints, deployed only after the subject kicked on an elevated staircase. No intermediate weapons used. Textbook continuum compliance per U.S.V. Cordell 11th Sir 2014. The subject's choking claim does not meet the legal threshold. Graham requires force to be objectively reasonable, not pain-free. Nothing in this footage establishes airway compromise.
Yeah, I got it, Benny. Got it?
Yeah.
You're on stairs, don't knock up.
Get one foot and I'm gonna get the other.
You got leg restraints?
I can't breathe. No, I can't. I'm not being funny.
Wait on the leg restraints.
You bitch.
Yo, she's trying to kick.
That's fine. That's fine.
Charlie 20 call 5 requesting a ball reference to 36.
That's not gonna stop me. I'm just gonna sue you. Because I feel very mishandled. I've been raped by military police officers.
Alright. Give it some slack, Manny, so we grab it under the hinge.
Yeah, you just like her. Oh yeah, but she still has
All
her
this for a military veteran. I remember all your faces.
You're perfect. I think my cuffs are on her. My cuffs are on her. Wait. Just take off the cut it.
You're a cop. You die. You guys are such not even real cops.
You want to grab the other side? Or just grab me
Okay. Hi, the first cop.
You do.
My hair! Ow!
If you open this door, it'll make your life easier. I get the flight number, destination, Philadelphia, right?
Yes. Flight number is 2326.
Says she's an Army veteran, right?
No, yeah, no. She was saying that's me the whole
23,
time.
26?
Yeah. She was telling me that.
She threatened her. I didn't know about this threat.
That's why I remember I looked at you and I did this. I said, come on to the front. As soon as they walked,
I didn't notice. I'm sorry.
she said she was going to kidnap me.
All right, ladies.
But in like a sexual way, though. Yeah,
We
she
already
was,
got your information.
he got only mine.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Okay, well, I don't know what happened in the back, so if you
No,
guys
that's
need
fine.
that.
Just your part of the crew. Whatever.
That's what she said to you.
It'll be an incident
Yeah, that
report.
was, yeah, for
Don't
sure.
blame me.
Don't blame me? Alright, cool.
I am a woman.
I understand we don't have a tampon.
I am bleeding from my. Well, then you have to figure something out. There's no point in letting me out without a tampon. How am I gonna pee? How am I gonna pee without a tampon?
Do you have one?
In my luggage that's not here. It's my carry-on.
Carry-on's right here.
No, like my luggage that's checked. Not the luggage I have right here.
You guys are so ghetto. I can't wait to see you.
No, I need a tampon. I don't.
You do not have a tampon, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. I don't feel comfortable getting out without a tampon because then you guys. Excuse me, sir. Because if I get out without a tampon and I ask you for a tampon, then you're going to say I'm antagonizing you, and then I'm going to get arrested again. So what's the point of asking for cops' help? No, because when I asked for cops' help the first time, you guys arrested
want to get
me.
out and pee or not?
I do, but I would rather pee right here and you guys clean it up at this point.
We're not going to clean it up. Listen,
It's not my problem. You guys will have
You want to
to
pee on yourself?
It's not myself. I'm going to pee and I'm going to scoot over. That's
So
what
you don't want to go use the bathroom?
I asked you with a tampon, but you're
We
not.
don't have a
giving me
tampon. We
You
do not
should
have
find
one.
one. I'm a woman.
I cannot find one. I don't
You
have
didn't
one.
look. You did not look.
Where am I going to get one?
Can you go to the front desk for the concierge?
Well, there's no concierge here. It's not a hotel.
Well, then you better figure it out. You brought me here. I have a. There's no way you don't have tampons.
There's no way you don't have tampons.
Sir, I do.
Okay.
They're
You have it in
my
your bag, and we
luggage.
can get it from your
When-
bag.
Excuse me, sir. When I board Frontier, they give me that. When I board, when I go to the bathroom. Excuse me, can I raise my hand and talk, or are you gonna talk over me?
Carry on right here.
Can I talk now?
You've already talked enough.
When you board the airplane, they give here. I can help you. When you board the airplane, they give you.
Huh? She doesn't want to get out? She said she's not getting out without a tampon. I don't.
Battery on a law enforcement officer under Section 784 No. 7 requires 4 elements: intentional contact against the officer's will with knowledge of their status during lawful duty. All 4 are documented on camera, twice against 2 separate officers. One systemic failure stands out. Prior threats by the subject against a flight attendant were never relayed to officers before contact. Under Graham, reasonableness is judged by what officers knew at the moment of decision. That gap is a correctable protocol failure. A Section 1983 civil claim faces substantial obstacles. The arrest was lawful, force was proportionate, no constitutional right was demonstrably violated, case disposition unknown at time of this analysis. Miami-Dade Airport Police, B+, proportionate escalation, consistent de-escalation, no intermediate weapons, deducted for absence of pre-contact briefing. Simone Bynaum, D, documented felony conduct on camera after lawful arrest declaration. Frontier Airlines and MDPD institutionally, B, lawful action, shared responsibility for the information gap. 3 lessons. First, the right to contest an arrest belongs in court, not on a jet bridge. Tillman is settled law. Second, pre-contact briefing is a use of force issue. What officers know at first contact shapes every decision that follows. Third, sequential, documented force escalation is both legally defensible and tactically sound. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.